Hey everyone, it's Lynnea. I have a nice and easy, clean and simple masculine card using products from the Erin Lee Creative October release. So what you saw on screen here is the Stay Wild stamp set, and I'm going to start with the quilted stencil. I'm going to line this up on a piece of 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inch cardstock, just regular A2 sized. And what I love about the quilted stencil is that it's very geometric, and I love how there is this square pattern in the center that you can mask off and kind of alter the look of your stencil. So I'm going to take some masking paper and just mask off the center square of the quilted stencil. And that's going to leave a plain white center for my stenciling. I'm going to grab some brown inks. I was going for a masculine card design today, but you could absolutely switch up the colored inks that you use to customize this card and even customize the stamp that I'm going to use to make a whole variety of cards. So I'm starting with my darkest ink color in the center, then I'll blend out with a medium and then a light, just like as if I was coloring with markers. And you see me there using the back of my cardstock. That's something I do a lot. I don't often have scrap paper just sitting next to me, so I like to flip over my cardstock and I will use the back. So once I have all my stenciling done, I'm going to remove my stencil along with that masking tape, and there you can see that fun quilted stencil design with the center easily masked off. I chose a stamp from the Stay Wild stamp set that perfectly fits in this square. At first I had thought that I was going to use the little mug, but it was a little bit too small, and I thought the mountain range would be perfectly sized. Plus, I'm going to be using the Shine Word die new from this release, and I thought that that would go with the little burst of the sun rays from behind the mountain. The only Copic coloring I'm doing for this whole card is right here on the sunburst, and then a little bit of warm gray just to outline the mountains to give a little bit of shadow. One of the things that I love about this card design is that it is clean and simple, it's easy to replicate, and there's not a lot of coloring. I'm not super good at coloring, and honestly there are some days when I just don't enjoy coloring. I much prefer ink blending. So I'm just going to go in with some yellows for the sun rays and then just a few warm grays to outline those mountains, and that's it. I'm going to leave the Copic coloring just at that. So like I said, I used that new Shine Word die. I die cut that from some gold holographic cardstock, and I'm going to place that below my mountain. But I thought that this also needed another sentiment, a coordinating sentiment to go along with it. So I'm going to grab a little scripty sentiment from the Stay Wild stamp set. I love the sentiments in here. I love the font on the sentiments especially. And they fit right in these quilted stencil, the negative areas, the little white lines there. I'll stamp that, and I'll use brown ink so that it matches the rest of my card. And that's it. Clean and simple, easy design using the Erin Lee Creative October release. Thanks for watching. Bye. Thank you again very much for watching this video. If you liked this video and you'd like to see more from me, please hit that subscribe button that is on the screen now. And here are a few other videos that I thought you might enjoy.